Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oriana if you're new. If you're not, hey girl, hey. So in today's video, I just want to do a spend the day with me where I just bring y'all along with me in whatever I'm doing. I don't think I'm gonna be doing too much today, but I still want to do a video, so we're gonna see how it goes. So far I'm not really doing too much. I just gotta brush my hair, but I know I'm supposed to have a package delivered today, and I know I probably need to like do some laundry or something. So yeah, we'll hang out together and do that. So okay, so right now it is 10:28. I'm about to actually eat some leftovers that I had yesterday from this Indian restaurant. I actually want to eat this for breakfast. It's not breakfast food, but I mean, this is what I want to eat, so I'm gonna have it. This like Indian rice with shrimp. So I'm gonna heat this up and then we'll eat this together, and you know, do maybe a little chit chat to just catch up on life. I don't know. I don't have much going on, but we'll chit chat. Yeah, I already started pouring the sauce on it, but it's like rice and then it has like shrimp. Yes, I did get this from the Mexican. Yes, I did get this from the Indian restaurant, but I needed this, you know. There's a girl I saw on TikTok. She literally had a whole collection of ramekins, I think they're called, but like these little like sauce containers from different restaurants. I'll get me a little sauce container, but I ain't never been taking like a bunch of them. And then for my drink, I'm gonna put y'all on to Clear American. If you are a girly that likes a carbonated drink but you don't want the calories, this is like my alternative to like basically anything carbonated with calories, because sometimes I drink kombucha, but sometimes kombucha is like a thing of its own. I drink these Clear Americans from Walmart. 0 sugar, 0 calories, 0 caffeine, and 0 sodium. That's what it's looking like. Y'all, this looks so freaking good. I hope this look right when I go back to edit this, because I'm just trying to vlog, y'all. Like for real, I'm really just trying to vlog, because this is what I want to do. This is all I could think of to do. Like I don't want to do nothing else. I want to freaking vlog. So it's almost April. I've kind of been in the mindset, I'm telling myself like, okay, I have 8 weeks till summer. I'm really trying to get into like a fitness mindset, you know. Like I'm trying to, and I'm not saying I'm trying, I'm saying I'm doing. I'm getting into a fitness wellness mindset, because I'm not too, let's talk about it. Let's talk about fitness wellness a little bit. I'm not gonna go too far, because I need to like remind myself, like I just need to tweak a few things, you know. Anybody else like that? So before April roll in, which means in one day, that's what I need to get on. Anyway, we're gonna move past that. Better eating habits, better sleep habits. Third thing I'm gonna add is increasing my water, like for real, straight up. I need to be drinking like, what was it, like 6 bottles a day? Yeah, I need to be on that water for real. Straight spring water. I have to walk every day, minimum 1 hour, 60 minutes minimum. Probably start today. This gotta be non-negotiable, boo. Oh, I've been talking to my friend about basically we've been talking about disconnecting from our phones, like really getting back to like letting the computer be the computer, let the camera be the camera, let the TV be the TV. You know what I'm saying? Like I feel like our phones are so advanced, and they got to the point where like literally everything we do is like intertwined on the phone. Like we can't even sit down and like watch TV on the TV no more, because everybody watches their shows on their phone, you know, stuff like that. So I'm taking my life back for real. Like I'm not gonna be intertwined on that phone all the time. There's too much on there. it's too much information. You know, like as soon as you wake up, I feel like waking up, getting on social media, that's like our equivalent of waking up and watching the news. You know, I don't think we need to be doing that. What kind of content I'm gonna be creating? It's probably just gonna be day in the life, day in the life, day in the life, day in the motherfucking life. Because I just want to create, y'all. I'm for real. Anytime I try to create within like a certain space or category, I end up just drawing a blank, and I be like, I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna start turning the camera on and just talking, because that's all I want to do anyway. Right now I'm sitting in my glam room. I kind of moved some stuff around because I'm really trying to see how I want to set this up in here, because I really want this to be like my office, my glam room. Like I kind of want this to be like a combination of things. But I did put this TV in here because I got a new TV in my bedroom, so I put my old one in here, and it's just sitting on top of these boxes right now because I just wanted to plug it up and turn it on. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put the TV on this wall because it's just the perfect space for a TV. And then I'm trying to decide like how I want this room to be set up, like when it comes to the direction. I do have my workout equipment in here, so right back here I have my walking pad, I have my kettlebell, jump rope. I'm just trying to see what's the best way to set it up so that I can have what I need, because I need everything to be accessible. Like when I want to get up and work out, okay, walking pad, everything set up, do what I need to do. When I want to get up, do my makeup, that's in here. I know that's kind of a lot, but I've seen people do a lot with small spaces, so that's why I kind of trust that I can do it in my room, in this room. We are now going to get into the unboxing. This is my package. I ordered this from Akira. If y'all are familiar with Akira, they just have like super cute clothes and shoes, so I'm so excited to open this. This is what the box is looking like. This shoe is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at these. Okay, so I didn't know it had this tassel on the back where the zipper goes, but oh my gosh. Oh, these are tea. I have plenty of space. I do. I feel like I could have did an 8.5. Y'all, these are so cute. So this is what the heels are giving. Hold on, let me see if I can get it better. Okay, this is what they're giving. Like I said, this is a size 9. They do feel like they run. Jesus. Okay, 2 things. They're a little wobbly, and they do feel like they run a little big for my liking. But it may just be my experience in heels like this. Like, I've not really worn anything of this nature, so I don't know. Y'all, these are super cute though, for real. Like, they're super cute, y'all. I just don't know if I should size down or what, you know. This is the immersion blender that I'm gonna be using. It's actually this little tool right here. Okay, this is the coconut water I'm gonna use. Okay. I did let my fruit sit out a little bit so that it can be easier to blend. That's how we turn it on, by just pushing it, and then you can see the little blade is gonna spin under there. So we can go ahead and press our button. This is the consistency of it. It looks really good. I just hope I blended up like all the chunks. That's literally perfect. I'm actually gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, make sure you like this video and subscribe. Also, down in the comments below, y'all let me know what y'all are up to. Are y'all having any spring or summer fitness goals? Y'all let me know. Other than that, you guys, I'm gonna end it here, and I will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.